Never eat chia seeds during the day. I know that sounds crazy, but hear me out. Eating chia seeds in the morning might not give you the full benefits you're looking for. In fact, if you eat them at night, something amazing happens in your body while you sleep. Most people don't realize how powerful this tiny seed is, especially when taken before bed. But if you eat chia seeds at night for just 1 week, you'll start noticing changes you never expected. So what happens? And why does the timing matter? Let's break it down. Chia seeds have been around for centuries, used by the Aztecs and Mayans for their incredible health benefits. But only recently have we started to understand the real science behind them, especially when consumed at night. They're packed with fiber, omega-3s, protein, and antioxidants, but it's how and when you eat them that makes the biggest difference. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what happens when you eat chia seeds before bed for just 7 days. From better digestion to deeper sleep, improved skin, and even weight loss. You won't believe how much this tiny seed can change your body. Most of us eat the wrong foods at night. Late night cravings, midnight snacking. It's one of the worst things for your metabolism, digestion, and overall health. But what if there was one simple nighttime habit that could actually help your body burn fat while you sleep, keep you full, and improve your health overnight? That's where chia seeds come in. The problem is, most people don't know how to eat them the right way. Some eat them dry, big mistake. Others mix them in the wrong foods, which ruins their benefits. And most people don't even realize that eating them at night is the best way to unlock their full potential. So let's dive into the benefits and why 1 week of chia seeds at night can be a game changer for your body. Before we get into it, if you're serious about improving your health naturally, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. I've got tons of powerful science-backed health tips coming your way. All right, let's talk chia seeds. What happens when you eat chia seeds at night? 1. You wake up feeling full. No more midnight cravings. Ever wake up in the middle of the night hungry? That's because your body digested your last meal too fast, leaving your stomach empty. Chia seeds are loaded with fiber. Just 2 tablespoons give you over 40% of your daily fiber needs. When mixed with water, they expand 10 times their size, forming a gel-like substance that keeps you full for hours. So when you eat them at night, your body digests them slowly, meaning no midnight hunger, no waking up starving, no cravings for junk food in the morning. And if you're trying to lose weight, this one simple habit can make a huge difference. 2. Chia seeds improve digestion and gut health. If you deal with bloating, constipation, or digestive issues, this is where chia seeds really shine. That same gel-like texture that keeps you full also acts like a natural gut cleanser. It helps push waste through your intestines, relieving constipation and promoting better digestion overnight. And because chia seeds contain prebiotics, they feed the good bacteria in your gut, making your digestive system even stronger. So if you've ever felt bloated after eating at night, try swapping out unhealthy snacks for a chia seed drink or pudding before bed. You'll wake up feeling lighter and more refreshed. 3. Deep sleep and better brain function. Chia seeds are packed with tryptophan, the same amino acid in turkey that makes you feel sleepy after Thanksgiving dinner. Tryptophan helps your body produce serotonin and melatonin, 2 key hormones that regulate sleep. So when you eat chia seeds at night, you're actually helping your body relax, de-stress, and fall into a deeper sleep. Better sleep equals better focus, memory, and mood the next day. And who doesn't want that? 4. Chia seeds boost metabolism and help you burn fat. Here's something most people don't know. Eating high-fiber, high-protein foods at night actually helps your body burn more calories while you sleep. Chia seeds contain alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, and omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to boost metabolism and reduce fat storage. In one study, people who consumed more omega-3s had lower belly fat and better insulin sensitivity. That means if you're struggling with stubborn weight, Simply adding chia seeds at night could help your body process food more efficiently and burn more fat over time. How to eat chia seeds at night for best results. Now, before you start dumping chia seeds into everything, you need to know the right way to eat them. Here are 3 simple ways to consume chia seeds at night for maximum benefits. 1. Chia water, best for digestion and hydration. Mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds in a glass of water. Stir well and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes until it turns into a gel. Drink it 30 minutes before bed. This is the easiest way to improve digestion, prevent bloating, and keep your body hydrated overnight. 2. Chia pudding, best for satiety and sleep. Mix 2 tablespoons of chia seeds with 1/2 cup of almond milk. Add honey or cinnamon for flavor. Let it sit in the fridge for at least 2 hours or overnight. This is perfect if you want something filling but light before bed. 3. Chia and Greek yogurt, best for protein and muscle repair. Mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds into Greek yogurt. Add some berries or nuts for extra flavor and nutrients. Eat 1 hour before bed for muscle recovery and better sleep. So, there you have it. Eating chia seeds at night for just 1 week can help you wake up full, improve digestion, boost metabolism, and get deeper sleep. It's such a simple habit, but it can make a huge difference in how you feel every day. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy science-backed health tips. And let me know in the comments, have you tried eating chia seeds at night? What was your experience? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.